It's okay, Creek. One vlog that you said sorry. What do you talk about for saying sorry?
I'm sorry for saying unsubscribe. And wait, did I delete the unsubscribe to vlog?
Yes.
Unsubscribe to Creekcraft already?
I don't know.
Did I? Have a quick check.
Get ready.